Oh, hey guys, I'm really bored. I wish we had a MakerBox. Here's one now. I think we should open it and find out what's inside. Where's my knife? All right, I gotta go. I gotta go find the knife. I'll be right back.
A very, very long time later.
He's been gone for a long time.
I got it. I got the knife.
Finally, I've been dying to open this box.
Well, we're gonna now. I mean, I realize I made you wait a little while, but all right, everybody.
My battery died 2 days ago.
Oh, well, you don't need that anyway.
That was $1,000.
All right, so yeah, but this is the MakerBox. It's far more important. We have to have the official Fun King 3D knife made by Tom Llama. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh!
What this?
Wait. It's always exciting to open up and have like a mysterious black bag.
God, it's like mystery.
This is exciting.
Can you open it?
A mystery bag inside.
I
No!
want to open it.
A mystery bag inside of a mystery box.
Can we open it, please?
We don't want to do the filaments first?
No, I want to open it.
Will it kill you not knowing what's in that?
Yes, let's open it.
I don't know. I think we should wait till the end. Like dessert.
You threw my phone away. Let me open it.
I think it'll be like dessert. So we got a cool toner plastic sticker here. Nice, thick, durable. Nice thick sticker. Oh, that's exciting color. Okay, there does seem to be a lack of paperwork. So I don't see anything in here that might explain what is in that black bag. I love carbon fiber. Protopasta.
Can we open it, please, 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 please?
But there's filaments to go
Please,
through.
I really want to open it.
I bet.
Please?
Is it killing you?
Yes.
Xander can't handle like mysteries and surprises. Christmas time is so much fun because as we start to put the packages under the tree, he just loses it. He just can't handle it. So you want to read this first one?
No.
Okay.
I want to open the black bag.
No, we're not going to open the black bag yet. This is ASA black. It's exciting. ASA is like a really good durable material. Handles UV and heat really well.
Open the black bag.
This is made by Toner Plastics. The hot end temperature of 240 to 250 degrees. Bed temperature of 90 to 130. Speed 50 to 90 millimeters per second. Low to no cooling. And enclosure and ventilation advised. The ASA is a thermoplastic created to be similar to ABS, but with the better weather resistance. ASA's combination of high strength and flexibility, along with its superior UV resistance, makes it ideal for printing objects which may be used in the outdoors or in industrial settings. Yeah. I was gone for so long finding the knife. I'm fatigued now. Whew. Due to its high glass transition temperature, a heated bed is required to successfully print with ASA. I said due to.
You said doo-doo.
Due to. Do. I didn't say doo-doo. We'll have to go back and check the tape. So, but again, that's
open the black bag now.
No. That is, let's try that. That is Toner Plastics, ASA, and that's it's a glossy black. Read that one. No, read that one.
Carbon fiber HTPLA dark gray. The protopasta team has
Prosta?
The Protoplasta team has put together an exceptional guide. Rather than summarizing, we're pointing you there, and then the link to Protoplasta.
Pasta.
Protoplasta.
There's no second R in there. It's just
They'll be fine with
protopasta.
me calling it Protoplasta.
I bet they won't.
It's fine.
I bet at Earth they're gonna push you down the stairs.
I'm used to it. For exceptional accuracy, finish, and performance, choose the carbon fiber protoplasta. Carbon fiber composite HDPLA is a combination of milled carbon fibers and high performance PLA, resulting 3D printed prototypes and end-use parts are characterized by exceptionally formed stability up to 100 degrees and 320 degrees Fahrenheit when heat treated, and that's protopasta.
I bet if Protopasta gave you a shirt, you'd remember how to say protopasta.
I bet if protopasta gave me a shirt, I'd write an R, but where it's supposed to be an R.
And that is the carbon fiber HTPLA.
Okay,
Anytime that you embed carbon fiber into a filament, it does get to be stronger.
I bet protopasta.
This got to be a bonus. This is heavy.
I bet protopasta would want us to open that black bag.
Pasta.
Pasta.
And again, if you're running any type of filament with a carbon fiber in it, you're going to want to use a hardened nozzle, because that will. I mean, if you're only printing a little bit, you'll be fine. But if you run it regularly, you will bore that nozzle out. I want to read the green one. You buried that green one. I love that. It's not a great shade of green. I think it's a great shade of green. This is Alpha Silk Green Taffeta. And that has a hot end temperature of 210 to 230 degrees. Bed temperature of room to 70. No speed is listed. Cooling fan required. It prints like PLA. If using PEI, put some glue stick on it. Philo Alpha's Alpha Silk is an easy to print material suitable for any type of 3D printer. That's only partially true. It's not good for SLA printers.
Okay, because I wasn't listening.
Oh, because it says it's suitable for any type of 3D printer.
Yeah, that's not true.
The glossy finish is enriched.
Oh. It's an SLA printer.
You can't put it in an SLA printer.
Yeah, but technically it's not really.
The glossy finish is enriched by a pleasant reflection, very similar to that of silk, from which it takes its name. The already excellent mechanical resistance and low retraction is enriched by a greater impact resistance and elasticity that makes it a highly performing material for various applications. I really wish you had read this one. It would have been hysterical. Philo Alpha Silk, completely non-toxic and odorless until high temperature. Will amaze for the high adhesion between the layers if printed at higher temperatures. So, and again, the hot end temperature of 210 to 230, so that's a pretty good. And that's Philo Alpha, made in Italy. Can read that. You should be able to scan these QR codes when we hold them up as well. You want to do the last one, or am I doing the last one?
You can do the last one, and I'll open the black bag.
No, you're not.
We are opening the black bag.
No. Maybe we just won't do it. We just won't open it at all. We'll never know what's in it ever. Like ever. This is PC plus PBT in orange, made by Push Plastics. It is hot end temperature of 235 to 250 degrees, bed temperature of 110 plus. That's a hot bed. That's as hot as the FK1 bed gets, 110. Speed is not listed, fan off or low. ABS slurry, PEI bed, or glue on bed, enclosure and ventilation advised. PC plus PBT, which is polycarbonate plus polybutylene terephthalate.
I bet it doesn't have that.
That's pretty much. It's pretty much polycarbonate with PETG in it. Well, PET. No, it's PBT. Whew. Gonna have to learn how to say these big words. Superior stiffness, ductility balance, great structural integrity, and drop impact performance. Excellent fatigue performance. High chemical resistant to motor oil and grease. Manufactured in the USA from 100% resin, virgin resin, and then spooled onto 750 gram reels. Then the filament is vacuum sealed with desiccant. There's approximately 50 grams here. And again, that's Push Plastics, made here in USA, the USA. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today. There's nothing more to see here.
I want to open the black bag.
All right. So, there's like a couple of things in here.
I
like
just want to open it, please.
Something's moving around in there. It kills him to not know. Kills him. I have to find the knife again.
No. My phone is dead and it's probably has a cracked screen now, so please just open the bag.
Don't get too close, I might cut you. They need to make airplanes out of these bags, as tough as they are. You're going to be really disappointed if I open this and it's something real dumb.
Yeah, definitely. Just open the bag. For goodness sake.
Oh, I know what it is.
What is it? Oh.
That would be... Well, first of all, it comes with this a really nice acid brush.
Quite disappointed.
It is, I bet you are. It is nanopolymer adhesive. We actually talked about this one other time because I got some at Murph this year. But there you can see. And what that is it is a build plate glue. So you coat your build plate with it before printing, and it will hold your print to the bed, and then when it cools, it'll allow you to release it. So what does the paper say? Danger, contains isopropyl alcohol. Woo, not isopropyl alcohol. Clean your build plate. Use water, Windex, or alcohol. What? That's all right.
Oh, I don't want to show that just in case.
Well, you just put your finger over this.
Oh, good point.
If you got this month's MakerBox, you'd get 20% off.
Yeah, I want to see the color.
Apply the adhesive.
Okay.
Use a bottle like a pen. Draw your print surface area. Spread evenly. Nozzle below 300 degrees centigrade. Remove part when cool. Nozzle above 300 degrees centigrade. Remove part while hot. Caution, can break glass. So, and it's designed for PEEK, Altum, PPSU, other high performance FDM polymers. So yeah, that's again, we had gotten some at Murph. It's pretty good stuff.
Meow.
What?
Meow.
Murph. So, and that and it's nice that they included the acid brush. So unfortunately, that brings us
me with a brush.
to the close of another MakerBox. Sorry it took me so long to find the knife. As you can see, the boys sat here for a long time, but that's okay. If you like what we are doing, we would love for you to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and the thumbs up is always appreciated as well. But more importantly, if you're not getting the MakerBox, do yourself a favor and get one. There is a link in the description below to get one. There is also a coupon code to save you some cheddar. Check it out. At least get one. See how you like it. They do have 3 different flavors of box. This is the Explorer box.
I didn't know boxes taste.
Well, try it. Take a bite.
Ah!
This one is the Explorer box, which comes with the more unique type filaments. They do have what's known as the Easy box, which is all of the PLAs, and then there is an Everything box, which is what is in this box plus what is in the PLA box. So you get a lot of filament. We did do that a couple of months, but
Tastes like chicken.
interesting. So, but definitely check out that link. And we'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up, if nothing else. And until next month, or somewhere in between, as always, Print on. This is not going to be easy. All right, so take one. Hey guys, I'm really bored. I wish we had a MakerBox. Take two. Hey guys, I'm really bored. I wish we had a MakerBox.
I'm throwing it in your hand.
Hey guys, oh sorry, take three. Hey guys, I'm really bored. I wish we had a MakerBox. I'll get it. Take four. You can't be laughing when we start though, because nothing funny's happened yet. Hey guys, I'm really bored. I wish we had a MakerBox. Wow, here's one now. We should open this immediately. Where's my knife? I gotta go find the knife. Okay. Take five. What's the matter, buddy? You having a bad dream? Poor little guy tuckered himself out working on his project. Okay, take five. Hey guys, I'm really bored. I wish we had a MakerBox.